pretty.
Oh.
Look at all the dishes.
Those are gorgeous.
Look at the shelves. The whole shelf full of teacups.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm sorry.
Look at that. Now see this one here?
really like
This, look, this is the creamer and the sugar and stuff. And there's, look, some of the cups and everything to go with it.
Hello.
Look at all these teacups. Look, the sugar and creamer. Look at that. What a beautiful set. And that one. Got those two. Look at some of these. See, these two go with that down there. And you got... Okay. Oh, there's some more of those other cups. Okay, this is all part of the 10-mile-long yard sale. What are you looking at? Oh, those are beautiful.
I want them.
Well, yeah. Can I just touch, please? Oh my! Feel it. Feel it though. Feel it. It's painted.
I'm holding it. I can feel it.
Yeah, but I mean it's painted on. Feel that. Boom. Ooh, hi. Look at that. Feel that. Oh my God. It's painted. It's not, you know.
I know. These are really cute.
Oh, like it's hand painted. What a beautiful
Probably.
set. It
I
is.
tell you.
I'll hold one so you can feel the other.
No, you don't. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what you
feel.
mean.
Yeah, feel here. Look. Now you better take it back, because if you don't take them, I will.
Yeah. See, that's why I didn't want you to touch them.
Well, I just held it. Yeah, all right, all right.